When students work in groups, how do we know if they're actually learning together effectively? Not all group work leads to collaborative learning. Our observation instrument helps teachers and researchers identify when real collaboration is happening by measuring four key dimensions of effective group learning. Here's what we often see: students sitting together, but not really working together. Some are engaged with the task, while others are on their phones or daydreaming. One or two students might end up doing all the work while others just go along for the ride. This isn't collaborative learning, it's just individual work happening in the same space. Our observation instrument focuses on four specific dimensions that indicate when students are truly learning collaboratively. Performance boosting. Are students actually helping each other achieve more than they could alone? Problem-solving attitudes. Do they persist through challenges together? Expanding participation. Are all voices included? And supportive climate. Can students take risks and make mistakes safely? These four dimensions give us a clear picture of collaborative learning in action. Performance boosting asks, are students actually helping each other do better work than they could accomplish alone? We look for peer coaching, where students teach and support each other. We observe shared responsibility, where everyone contributes meaningfully to the task. And we watch for students building on each other's strengths, combining their different skills and knowledge to create something better together. Problem-solving attitudes focuses on what happens when things go wrong. Do students give up individually, or do they persist as a team? We observe whether they try multiple strategies together, support each other through frustration, and celebrate shared solutions. When the robot breaks or the code doesn't work, effective groups see setbacks as puzzles to solve together, not reasons to quit. Expanding participation examines whether all voices are truly heard in the group. We watch for students actively including quieter members, not just waiting for them to speak up. We look for groups that share leadership roles rather than having one person dominate. And we observe how they value different perspectives, recognizing that diverse viewpoints make their work stronger. Supportive climate asks, can students take intellectual risks and make mistakes safely? We observe how groups respond to wrong answers. Do they shut them down or build on them? We look for respectful responses to errors, where mistakes become learning opportunities. We watch for genuine encouragement that helps all students contribute their best thinking, even when they're uncertain. Here's how the instrument works in practice. An observer watches the group in real time, rating each of the four dimensions on a scale. This isn't just about checking boxes. It's about capturing the quality of collaboration happening in the moment. These ratings then become specific, actionable feedback that helps both teachers and students understand what effective collaboration looks like and how to improve it. The goal isn't perfect collaboration from day one. It's helping students recognize the difference between sitting together and learning together. On the left, we see the typical mixed engagement. Some students working while others are disengaged. On the right, we see all students actively contributing, supporting each other, and celebrating shared success. The observation instrument helps us measure and guide this transformation. Effective group learning doesn't happen by accident. It requires intentional observation, measurement, and feedback. By systematically observing these four dimensions, performance boosting, problem-solving attitudes, expanding participation, and supportive climate, we can help students move from simply working in groups to truly learning together. The result? Stronger learning outcomes and students who know how to collaborate effectively throughout their lives. One tool, dual impact. Teachers develop professional expertise in recognizing and fostering collaborative learning, while evaluators collect systematic qualitative data for comprehensive reporting. Our online rubric streamlines both processes, making observation easy for educators while generating the rich evidence base that evaluation reports require. Professional development and program evaluation seamlessly integrated,